Hi everyone, we can do exercise 10b, question number 9 onwards. If numbers n minus 2, 4n minus 1 and 5n plus 2 are in AP, find the value of n at its next two terms. Given n minus 2, 4n minus 1 and 5n plus 2 are in AP. We want to find the value of n and the next two terms. So first, if they are in AP, we can say that the common difference will be equal. That means common difference T2 minus T1 and common difference T3 minus T2 will be equal. We have T1 is equal to what? N minus 2. T2 is equal to 4n minus 1 and T3 is equal to 5n plus 2. So what about T2 minus T1? D is equal to T2 minus T1 and we can write D is equal to T3 minus T2. So instead of this D we can replace it as T2 minus T1 and this D we can write it as T3 minus T2. Since D is same, since they are in AP. So T2 minus T1. So how can we write T2 minus T1? T2 is 4n minus 1. So 4n minus 1 minus of T1 is what? N minus 2 is equal to T3 is 5n plus 2 minus of T2 is 4n minus 1. 4n minus 1. Okay. So change the brackets. We will get it as 4n minus 1 minus n plus 2 is equal to 5n plus 2 minus 4n plus 1. 4n minus n is what? Here 4n minus n, 3n plus 2 minus 1 will be positive 1 is equal to 5n minus 4n is n, 2 plus 1, 3. So how can we find n? We can take this n to the left side. So 3n, this n to the left side, so it will become minus n. 3 as 3 itself, then plus 1 will become minus 1 if you take it to the right side. Okay. So 3n minus n is what? 2n is equal to 2. So n is equal to 2 by 2, n is equal to 1. We want to find the value of n. Not only the value of n, we want to find the next two terms of this AP. Next two terms. So which are the terms here? First T1. First we can find out T1. T1 is what? N minus 2. So n we got it as 1. So it will be 1 minus 2 which is equal to negative 1. What about T2? T2 is 4n minus 1. So 4 into n we have 1. So n into 4 into 1 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. T3 is equal to 5n plus 2. 5n plus 2 means 5 into n value 1 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So T1, T2, T3 we got it as negative 1, 3 and 7. But they are asked to find out the next two terms. So the next two terms are which one? T4 and T5. So what about T4 and T5? Here the sequence will be negative 1, 3, 7. Okay. So what is the common difference here? Common difference will be 7 minus 3 which is equal to 4. Here 7. So next value will be 7 plus 4, isn't it? 7 plus 4. So T4 will be 7 plus common difference 4, that is equal to 11. So T5 will be what? 11, that is T4 plus common difference is what? 4 plus 4 is equal to 15. So AP will be, how can we write? Therefore the next two terms are 11 and 15. So finally we can write what? Therefore the AP is what? Negative 1, 3, 7, 11, 15, etc. Okay, these are the, okay, so 11 and 15, the next two terms 11 and 15, that only we want to find out. Okay. Next question number 10. Determine the value of k for which k square plus 4k plus 8, 2k square plus 3k plus 6 and 3k square plus 4k plus 4 are in AP. So T1 is what? T1 will be k square plus 4k plus 8. T1 will be k square plus 4k plus 8. Write down. T2 will be what? 2k square plus 3k plus 6 and T3 will be 3k square plus 4k plus 4. These are in AP. So we can directly say that what these are in AP means common difference will be same. That means common difference D is equal to D. So this D we can replace it as T2 minus T1. This D we can replace it as what? T3 minus T2. Common difference will be same, no? So what about T2? T2, how can we write T2? So 2k square plus 3k plus 6 minus of T1 is k square plus 4k plus 8 will be equal to T3, 3k square plus 4k plus 4 minus of T2 is what? 2k square plus 3k plus 6. Okay, so 2k square plus 3k plus 6, change the brackets, minus k square minus 4k minus 8 is equal to 3k square plus 4k plus 4 minus 2k square minus 3k minus 6. Do the calculation. Here 2k square minus k square will be k square, then plus 3k and minus 4k will be minus k, then plus 6 and minus 8 will be minus 2. So left side. Then what about right side? Right side 3k square minus 2k square will be k square. Then 4k here minus 3k. So it will be plus k. Then here plus 4 and minus 6. So it will be minus 2. K square minus k minus 2. There also k square plus k minus 2. So take all the things to the left side. So k square minus k minus 2. This will become minus k square minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. So k square we can cancel. Plus 2 and minus 2 cancel. So minus 2k is equal to 0. Okay. So k is equal to what? K is equal to 0 divided by negative 2. That means k is equal to 0. You want to find the value of k. Determine the value of k. Okay, so k is equal to 0. 11th question. If A, B, C are in AP, show that 4A, 4B, 4C are in AP. If A, B, C are in AP, we can write what? A, B, C are in AP. We can say what? 2B is equal to A plus C. Two conditions are there. Either we can write B minus A is equal to C minus B, that is common difference is same. So using that, we know common difference is same. Common difference means B minus A will be equal to C minus B. So simplify this. After simplifying this, we will get it as 2B is equal to A plus C. So how can we do? B, this will become what? B plus B is equal to, A will become positive A plus C. So that is 2B is equal to A plus C. So if A, B, C are in AP, we can directly write 2B is equal to A plus C. If A, B, C are in AP. What we want to find out? We want to find out 4A, 4B, 4C are in AP. 4A, 4B, 4C. So look at 4A, 4B and 4C. What about common difference? Common difference will be 4B minus 4A. Then again common difference will be what? 4C minus 4B. Here we can take common 4. 4 into B minus A. Here also we can take 4 common. It will be C minus B. Okay. So D is equal to 4B minus 4A and D is equal to 4C minus 4B. If 4A, 4B, 4C are in AP, then we can express it as what? If A, B, C are in AP, we can write it as 2B is equal to A plus C. So that same format we want to get. So D is equal to 4B minus 4A and D is equal to 4C minus 4B. So this we got. If you want, you can do this also. Changing the bracket is not needed. So take it as common. For your convenience, you can write like this way itself. 4B minus 4A and 4C minus 4B. We know common difference are same. So we can say that D is equal to D if they are in AP. If they are in AP, common difference will be same. So we are thinking about that they will be in AP and D is equal to D. So how can we write? 4B minus 4A is equal to 4C minus 4B. After simplifying this, 4B we can take to the left side. 4B plus 4B is equal to 4A plus 4C. 8B is equal to 4A plus 4C. Dividing throughout by 4, you will get just 2B is equal to A plus C. This is a condition for what? If A, B, C are in AP, then 2B is equal to A plus C. So, using this condition, we can say that 4A, 4B, 4C are in AP. Why? Because we got the condition 2B is equal to A plus C. So, we can say that 4B, therefore, 4A, 4B, 4C are in AP. Okay. Then what about the second question? A plus 4, B plus 4, C plus 4. Second one. 11th first one, this one. 11th second one is A plus 4, B plus 4 and C plus 4 we want to find. They are in AP. Given A, B, C are in AP, no? So given A, B, C are in AP means if A, B, C are in AP, we can say that 2B is equal to A plus C. So same thing we can take here. What we have done here, that is D is equal to, what about D? B plus 4 minus of A plus 4. T2 minus T1. Okay. So change the brackets. So you will get just D is equal to B plus 4 minus A minus 4. So D is equal to B minus A. 4 cancel. So D is equal to B minus A. Again we can write this, we wrote what? T2 minus T1. This is what? T3. So again D is equal to, this is what? T2 minus T1. Again we can write what? T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2 means C plus 4 minus of what? B plus 4. So D is equal to C plus 4 minus B minus 4. So D we can write it as C minus B. So since common difference are same, we can equate B minus A and C minus B. That is, common difference same means B minus A is equal to C minus B. So we take B plus B is equal to A plus C, 2B is equal to A plus C. This 2B is equal to A plus C means we can say that A, B, C are in AP. So same here, B plus 4, no. Instead of B we can replace it as B plus 4. Here instead of A we can write it as A plus 4. Here B and here C. Just substitute that. So 2 into B plus 4 is equal to A is what here? A plus 4 plus C is what? C plus 4. Change the bracket. 2B plus 4 into 2, 8 is equal to A plus C plus 8. Okay, 8 cancel. So 2B is equal to A plus C. Same thing we got, no? So we can say that A plus 4, B plus 4 and C plus 4 are in AP. If A, B, C are in AP, if A, B, C are in AP, we can say that if A, B, C are in AP, we can write 2B is equal to A plus C. So instead of B, we can replace it as B plus 4. Instead of A, we can replace it as A plus 4 and C plus 4. So final answer, you will get it as 2B is equal to A plus C. Therefore, we can say that A plus 4, B plus 4, C plus 4 are in AP. This is the second part. There also in the first part, there also we got what? 2B is equal to A plus B. There what? First question, 4A, 4B, 4C. How can we do this? In the first question, A, B, C are in AP, 2B is equal to what? A plus C. So question is what? 4A, 4B, 4C. Here this is A, this is B and this is C. So 2B instead of B we can replace it as 4B. 2 into 4B is equal to A as 4A plus C is 4C. 4 into 2, 8B is equal to 4A plus 4C. Dividing throughout by 4. So it will be what? 8B by 4 is equal to 4A by 4 plus 4C by 4. So 2B is equal to 4. Here 4 cancel. A plus C. So in first part also we got it as 2B is equal to A plus C. Second part also 2B is equal to A plus C. So in first question we can say that what? If ABC are in AP, we can say that what? 4A, 4B, 4C are in AP. Second question also, if ABC are in AP, we can say that A plus 4, B plus 4 and C plus 4 are in AP. Why? Because if ABC are in AP, we can say that if ABC are in AP, 2B is equal to A plus C. So same thing we are doing in A plus 4, B plus 4 and C plus 4. Second question. First question 4A, 4B, 4C. For that also we are getting 2B is equal to A plus C after simplifying. Using the condition ABC are in AP. Just substituting the value of 2B is equal to A plus C. So you will get the answer. ABC are in AP given. So 4A, 4B, 4C are in AP first part. Then A plus 4, B plus 4, C plus 4 are in AP. Okay, thank you.